Hello, I'm little Poyon. Here I am today to show you my new toy. I am your ice cream shop. Welcome to my ice cream shop in my ice shop. Colorful ice cream. And this is my baby Jackson. I love him so much. Now I'm gonna start making yummy ice cream and cake for my Jackson. See you soon. First, let's cut it separately. Ta-da! I cut it. First, we're gonna make ice cream. First, vanilla ice. And second,
Blue
grape
ice.
ice. And soda ice. Mix it. I'm gonna try it and see if it's yummy. Yummy. Next, make pressed corn. Let's pour the water. And then let's go mix it. Ta-da! I done it. It's so yummy. Now I'm gonna try it from the spoon. It's time to make the shape of crushed corn. You need to flatten or your surface of your spoon. Let's go put in the microwave. This is my pastry corn and it's done. The ice cream. Put it in the side part and make the top. And then put in your pastry. The ice cream is so beautiful. Something is missing. It's the cream on the top. Let's make it. Let's pour the water in the cream. And mix it. And then put the cream on the top and sprinkle. Come to my shop and try my ice cream corn. Look, it's so yummy. I'll eat it right now.
Ice cream! Yum!
It's so yummy.
I'll show you this magical ice cream. Scoopy, icy ice cream.
Thank you for your team. Hope you like it. And please subscribe and like my video. I see you next time. I will eat it now.